Stop sifting through endless properties and start finding exactly what you need with Dealmachine's powerful filtering features. Refining your property searches isn't just about reducing noise. It's about targeting specific types of real estate leads, making your outreach far more effective. To begin, simply tap the filter icon typically found at the top or bottom of your main property list or map screen. First, let's narrow down by property type. You can select specific categories like single-family, multifamily, or even vacant land to focus your search. Next, refine by property characteristics. Adjust the minimum and maximum ranges for bedrooms, bathrooms, total square footage, or even the properties you're built to find properties that fit your criteria perfectly. Dive deeper with ownership details. Choose between individual or corporate owners, or specify how long the current owner has held the property, like 5 or more years, to identify long-term owners or potential absentee owners. Once you've made your selections, tap Apply Filters to update your results. If you need to start fresh, simply return to the filter menu and tap Clear All to reset your search. Mastering Dealmachine's filters will significantly boost your efficiency, helping you pinpoint ideal investment opportunities faster and more effectively.